In this video, we'll show you how to assemble an oven cabinet. Our oven cabinets come in 600mm and 900mm widths and are made to house various sized integrated ovens within these widths. To assemble an oven cabinet, attach the bottom panel to the two side panels using the 50mm screws provided. Remember that the countersunk holes will face outwards. Repeat this for the other side panel. It's important that the front edges are kept flush. Next, grab the supporting rails and fix to the back and front of the cabinet. Following this, turn the cabinet upside down to install the adjustable feet. Attach the adjustable feet by fixing the base plates to the bottom of the cabinet using 28mm screws in the pre-drilled holes. Ensure the tapered edges face towards the side panels. Assemble the feet and insert into the base plates. Set the height of the adjustable feet to 145mm. Your oven cabinet frame is now complete. It's time to add the heat deflectors and end panels. End panels are purchased separately. Place the heat deflectors on either side of the cabinet so they protrude 23mm. Clamp the heat deflectors between the two end panels and the cabinet, ensuring the end panels are level on top and protrude 18mm from the front of the cabinet. With the heat deflectors clamped in place, pre-drill from inside the cabinet into each corner of the end panel and screw the end panel into place. Note, if heat deflectors are not used and door damage occurs, this will not be covered by the warranty. Once you've installed the heat deflectors and end panels, you can then drill and screw the oven cleats into place on each side of the cabinet. Your oven cabinet is now complete.